Let's have a quick conversation about Zoho Books versus NetSuite versus ZarMoney. Of course, we are speaking about small business accounting software, and so here's an overview I want you to really pay attention to. I want to start with Zoho Books, and Zoho Books, as you know, this is part of the Zoho ecosystem, and so Zoho Books is really an easy to use cloud-based accounting software with an invoice, inventory, and project management system. And it really offers a competitive free plan and a variety of features to make your processes easier and more efficient. And Zoho is particularly good option if you are a smaller or medium-sized business in search of an alternative to larger, more expensive software. What are the pros and cons of this tool here? The pros first, you have a free plan available, feature-rich accounting software, you have a robust mobile app, and you have impressive support options. So that's the constellation of options that you have within Zoho Books is pretty impressive. What about the cons here? Well, you have a maximum of 10 users. So this is so now if you go above 10 users, you have to actually pay extra per user. You must invest in higher level plans for advanced features, and you have also limited integrations. So this could be problematic for some companies, especially in the mid market. Okay, but one thing for sure, Zoho Books offers a free plan and 5 to 10 subscription options that range from $15 to about $240 per month, billed annually. Not only do the higher level plans allow for more users and invoices, but they also include advanced features like purchase approvals, we love that, vendor portals, or custom modules. This is really good. And one thing I need to say here is that when you think about Zoho Books, I want you to think about scalability. I mean, you can scalability but also efficiency. What do I mean by that? Basically, you can send customized invoices and connect to payment gateways so customers can actually pay for your products and services online. You also be able to link one or several bank accounts to important transactions and categorize them automatically for fast and easy reconciliation. And the dashboard will give you a clear view of your highest expenses, total receivables and payables and sales. So that's really cool. And we also love the fact that Zoho actually allows you to really scale. I mean, as part of the Zoho family of apps. When you think about Zoho, I want you to think about a player in a very crowded field. You have FreshBooks. The field also have QuickBooks, for instance. But if you were to compare and contrast Zoho Books and maybe QuickBooks, for instance. I mean, QuickBooks is not part of today's conversation, but Zoho Books actually is cheaper, but it has fewer features and fewer integrations. Okay, and there is a free trial in QuickBooks for 30 days. Same thing for FreshBooks. In Zoho Books, the free trial is actually limited to 14 days. But with Zoho Books, you have unlimited inventory, expense tracking, inventory management, and mileage tracking. So that's really cool. And Zoho actually does have a free plan for businesses with an annual revenue of less than $50,000, $50,000, which can be a great solution if you have a startup, sole proprietorship, or let's say even a home-based business that needs a basic accounting system. You also enjoy access to many useful features so that you can automate your accounting and bookkeeping without the high cost. So this is really good. And now there are Zoho add-ons. So Zoho offers 3 add-on options. You can add a user, snail mail, and auto scans. This can allow you to add users to your account, send paper estimates and invoices, and scan financial statements to extract important data into the software. Now, what kind of features can you actually get through Zoho? Well, you can get a lot of stuff. You want to look for things like accounts payable and banking, cash management. You want to think about the cost tracking, inventory management, collecting and submitting sales tax. This is kind of cool. And one thing I want to say here is that should you buy or ditch Zoho Books? It really depends on your need. So if you are in search of a feature-packed software that won't break the bank, Zoho Books should be on your radar, that's for sure. And you'll likely find a plan that meets your needs, especially if you're a small or medium-sized business. However, if you can't be limited based on users or require greater integration options, you might want to look for an alternative, especially if you are not using, if you haven't used a Zoho product before. Let me talk to you now about NetSuite. So NetSuite is part of the Oracle sort of a family of software tools. And so basically, when you think about NetSuite accounting software, basically this is a comprehensive cloud accounting software known for its customizable modules, which cater to various business needs, including financial operations, CRM, and e-commerce activities. And it's really popular among small to medium-sized businesses and fast-growing enterprises for its automation capabilities, especially when it comes to invoicing and other financial processes. And so the tool also offers benefits like real-time financial visibility, streamlined business processes through automation, and integrated business management. And NetSuite adeptly solves pain points such as fragmented data systems and inefficient financial processes, largely due to its customizable modules and real-time reporting features. And its best capabilities include seamless integration across business functions, robust financial reporting and scalability, making it a versatile solution for dynamic business environments. What are the pros and cons of Oracle NetSuite here? The pros first. You have real-time visibility, you have scalability, and you have an integrated suite. Now, the integrated suite is really good, especially if you're thinking about scalability, let's say 10 years from now, because the NetSuite offers a fully integrated suite of business management tools, streamlining operations, and scalability. It scales effectively with business growth, accommodating expanding operations. In terms of real-time visibility, NetSuite provides a real-time financial data visibility, enabling informed decision-making. That's really an important element to think about. What about the drawbacks here? Well, you do have a complex interface, higher cost, and customization challenges. So when we talk about complex interface, some users may find actually its interface complex and not as intuitive as other software. So this is something to really think about. And NetSuite is typically more expensive than basic cloud accounting solutions such as QuickBooks or FreshBooks. And customizing NetSuite can be challenging, requiring technical expertise. So you could have an element of a steep learning curve here. So when you think about NetSuite cloud accounting, it's important to understand that you have a large constellation of product specifications. So you have general ledger, accounts receivable, accounts payable, cash flow management, bank reconciliation, expense tracking, forecasting and budgeting. You have multi-currency support, task management, financial forecasting, financial reporting, sales order management, purchase order management. So you can see that NetSuite is really for all kinds of businesses, not just small businesses. Okay, you have mid-sized businesses. NetSuite actually focuses on the mid-market really. Other capabilities within NetSuite include inventory management, fixed asset management, payroll processing, time and expense tracking, CRM integration, e-commerce integration, dashboard and analytics, and you have mobile access. This is kind of cool. We love that aspect of things a lot. You have compliance management, cloud-based accessibility, API for custom integration, and you also have multi-user access. You also have automated backups and security. So you can see that the features that you have through NetSuite, the features are really comprehensive. In terms of modules and capabilities, you have general ledger, you have accounts receivable and payable, so that's really cool. You have advanced financial reporting. So NetSuite offers robust financial reporting features that stand out for their depth and flexibility. You have e-commerce integration. So we are speaking about what? Seamless e-commerce integration that supports omni-channel business operations. You also have integrated CRM functionalities, by the way, that allow you to have a customer relationship management at a very granular level. You also need to have, you can expect tax management, multi-currency and multi-language support, mobile accessibility. In terms of standout functionality, you have integrated suite. So NetSuite's fully integrated suite of business management tools is unique, covering ERP, CRM, and e-commerce. You have industry adaptability. You have real-time analytics also. So overall, you are basically working in a team or with a company that knows exactly what it does and what it plans on doing in the near future. So we love that aspect of things a lot. I want to talk to you about ZarMoney. So when you think about ZarMoney, I want you to think about a top accounting software tool for inventory management because it really offers tools that other platforms like. This includes, but is not limited to, multi-site inventory management, barcodes, and split transactions. So, what are some of the pros and cons here that we have seen in our research? ZarMoney offers by far the most advanced inventory management features of any low-cost accounting software platform. ZarMoney is actually competitively priced when you really think about it, especially given the advanced nature of its inventory management features. And so those are some of the pros. What about the cons? Well, ZarMoney offers limited features for snapping photos of receipts to generate or even justify expenses in your ledger, and there is no ZarMoney mobile app as of right now. So if you are a business, if you have a business that sells tangible products, inventory is a key financial concern, right? So what you want to do is that you want to actually make sure that your accounting software and inventory management system are fully integrated. In most cases, you wouldn't get an expensive, complicated enterprise resource planning system to handle both from within one interface. ZarMoney, though, is a non-ERP, low-cost accounting software with robust inventory management features. And so this is really cool. And we love the fact that this tool is constantly being upgraded and constantly being revamped upon. So this is really fantastic. In terms of usability, ZarMoney is fairly easy to use. It is not necessarily the most intuitive platform in the world, but it's not so complex that you will struggle to master it for weeks on end. Plus, if you use ZarMoney's highest price plan, you get specialized training, a dedicated account representative, and priority support, all features that improve its usability. In terms of features here, let's talk about that. So you have multi-location inventory management, customized real-time inventory data, financial reporting, automatic invoicing with customer payment and updates. You have customer payment reminders and order updates, and you also have a payment calendar. So that's really cool in terms of functionality. We love that aspect of things a lot. And you also have multi-location inventory management. So this is this is a wonderful opportunity for you to see what really works and what doesn't work. You have customized real-time inventory data. So within the inventory management side of ZarMoney's platform, you can customize your product fields. And this is actually a standout feature in the inventory management suite. So we love that a lot. You have financial reporting. This is a pretty granular here, also fantastic. You also have customer payment reminders and order updates. So ZarMoney includes a tool for notifying your customers of changes in their product order status via email or text. You can also save, print, or send reports detailing the customer's open invoices. And this actually doubles. Sorry about that. This doubles as a way to notify clients of overdue payments and manage your cash flow. And it's also unique to ZarMoney among the accounting software platforms that we reviewed, and as is the order status notification tool. You also have a payment calendar. So payment calendar is pretty extensive also through ZarMoney. For instance, you can access all of your outstanding payables in a calendar view. From this calendar, you can bulk vendor payment and add invoices. So this is really important. In terms of ZarMoney pricing, ZarMoney actually offers 3 plans. The first 2 of this, entrepreneur and small business, offer the same features despite their different names. So the first one costs $15 per month and limits you to 1 user, and the latter costs $20 per month for a team of 2 plus $10 per month for additional users. So this is kind of cool. And for a team of at least 30 users, ZarMoney offers an enterprise plan that starts at $350 per month. And this package includes exclusive features such as priority customer support, a dedicated account representative, and specialized training. So this is kind of cool. And for all 3 tiers, you get a 15-day free trial, and there are no fees and add-on costs. So you can see that this really helps you out And setting up ZarMoney is pretty simple. There are no desktop applications to download, and importing your vendor and customer data is a breeze. Customer service is always there. Their team is reachable via phone from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific, Monday through Friday. There's also a 24/7 support availability conduit via live chat, and you can actually email the company at any time. So this is kind of cool. And overall, you have a really a fantastic tool that can help you actually grow real fast. So ZarMoney actually it's basically an accounting software platform that couples fundamental accounting features with advanced inventory management tools. And the company has been in existence for more than 10 years. I mean, more than 20 years now. They started in 2006, and so this is kind of cool. Especially, it tells you how resilient a software tool it really is. So Zoho Books versus NetSuite versus ZarMoney. Which one should you go for? So what is our strategy here? Our strategy is that you need to really make the choice based on objective measures, right? So what are the primary factors to consider when choosing accounting software? Well, you want to think about cost, right? You want to think about usability. You want to think about features before thinking about anything. I mean, a lot of small businesses, they actually just go right away into small business accounting software selection, thinking about the branding. But no, you want to make sure that you look at the price, look at the usability, and you want to look at the features too. And one thing I want to say here is that you have the ability to actually reap all the benefits of accounting software if you are well organized. So what are the benefits here? You have time savings, you have automatic reports, you have higher accuracy, you have one place for all financial tasks. So this is really interesting. You also have optimized payroll. So this is really cool. And for instance, when I speak about optimized payroll, for instance, with the right accounting software, you can automate your payroll activities so that benefits and taxes are calculated to provide actually accurate prompt payment for every employees. Right? It's all about making sure that you took care of your employees, and you also got to look at some usability factors when you look into accounting software, like easy integration, multi-user access, multi-business support, cloud-based software, and mobile access. Very important. And but if for any reason you don't want to go with ZarMoney, you always have the opportunity to go with QuickBooks, FreshBooks, Sage 50, Cloud, Wave Accounting. You do have options. That's an important element to think about. So what is our selection here? Zoho Books versus NetSuite versus ZarMoney. Which one should you go for? Our answer is very simple. ZarMoney. If you're looking for something mid-market, go with NetSuite. If you want to have a free version, Zoho Books will be a great candidate for you. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. In today's conversation, I actually spoke to you about Zoho Books versus NetSuite versus ZarMoney. I give you the overview. I give you the selection. But before that, I talked to you about the strategy and now the bottom line. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then remember, stay marvelous.